If they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, just think of how many words an animated GIF is worth. And when it comes to text messaging and its 160 character limit, every word counts. In this video, we break down how to use GIFs in your text messages without running into any copyright issues. Tatango is the leading political SMS marketing platform with more than 14 years of experience. We take it upon ourselves to be the authority on compliance in SMS messaging so our political clients can steer clear of any litigation and build trust with their constituents. Copyright law has always been a little complicated. When it comes to other creative mediums, it's a little easier to grasp. You make a painting and you own the copyright to it and its derivatives. But GIFs, which are a relatively new tool, tend to be of copyrighted material, created by someone other than the original copyright holder, and can still be distributed by anyone. That leaves a lot of questions up in the air about legalities. Not to worry, we can help you navigate any copyright issues surrounding the use of GIFs in your campaign. There are many reasons why you might want to add a GIF to your SMS text messaging campaign, like to make your call to action stand out, to create a more interesting and engaging message, to provide a demonstration, to personalize your brand. So, you want to start adding GIFs to your campaign. Here are a few helpful tips. Try your hand at creating your own. Animation doesn't have to be complex to be eye-catching. You don't need to compete with Pixar here. A GIF can be as simple as an object moving across the screen, like encouraging voter turnout. And there are many resources out there, like Canva, that allow you to create GIFs without the need for fancy tech. The experts in the Tatango Design Studio are also here to help you at no cost to our clients. Does your content fall under fair use? If you want to use a pre-existing GIF without facing copyright issues, it's important to determine if your usage falls under the Fair Use Act. This act protects the usage of copyright-protected material if you're using it for criticism and commentary. Think reviews, news reporting, research, nonprofit educational uses, and parody. In most cases, if you're using copyrighted material for profit, it's better to err on the side of caution and use something original. Avoid anything with famous faces. Sorry, but that meme of Will Ferrell is probably out of the question. Unless you have written permission from everyone featured in the animation, you won't want to use a GIF made of their likeness. Most celebrities don't like to become unwilling sponsors of a political party or cause. GIFs are fun to create and use in a campaign, adding a flair of animation to something that would otherwise be static, black and white. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by leaving a comment below. And as always, if you'd like more tips on how to create the most efficient and effective text messaging campaign, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you're always in the loop.